everybody, my name is Jess Hildebrand. I work here at Menchie Music Service in York, and today, Make Music Day, I am going to be showing you how to make your own maracas from household items. Just a little bit of background about the maracas. They are a percussion instrument that's played by holding the handle and rattling like this. And the maracas originated in Latin America. So these were actually originally made out of gourds with seeds inside of them, and that's what makes the sound. So I have two different kinds of authentic maracas here, and I'm just going to play both for you so you can see how different they can sound depending on what they have inside of them. So here's one. So we're going to be using this same concept when we make our own maracas today, and experimenting with some different materials that we can put inside of them so that they have a different sound. So these are the materials that you will need to make your maracas. We need a plastic empty Easter egg, 2 plastic spoons, any kind of sturdy tape. I have some decorating tape here. You can use duct tape, masking tape, electrical tape, whatever you can find at home, something to keep everything together. And then we have our filling for our maracas. Today I'm working with lentils and also pinto beans. You could use uncooked rice or sand, something that would make a rattling sound inside of your egg. So I've already made one. This is what your final product is going to look like. This is made with the lentils. But I think today I'm going to try mine with the pinto beans and see how that sounds different. So first step, we're going to take our plastic Easter egg and pull it apart here, and we're going to fill it with whatever you desire. I'm going to throw some pinto beans in here. And this is the point in time where we want to shake our egg to make sure we're getting the sound we want. I think I'm going to add a few more beans in here. Maybe I'll throw a couple lentils in there as well. See what that does. Perfect. So now we're going to take one piece of tape and secure it around the seam of the egg so that none of our beans come out. And this is a thicker tape that I have here, so I actually cut it in half so that it's a little thinner to wrap around. You may need to ask a parent for help with that. So I'm just going to take my tape here and get it right around the center there. And we're going to be putting more tape around this, so if it's not completely all the way around, that's okay for now. Perfect. Next up, we're going to take our 2 spoons and put them with the scoops facing each other like this, and sort of line them up at the bottom here. And we're going to just wrap tape around the whole handle of both spoons. So I'm going to take a longer piece of tape here. Make sure this is all lined up. And the great thing about this project is that your personality can show through with whatever tape you're using, or you can feel free to decorate with markers or paint or whatever you'd like to do. And I'm just going to make sure that this is nice and secure. Perfect. Nice and tight. So now we're going to open up our spoons a little bit and pop our egg right inside. Perfect. And then our last step is to secure the spoons onto the egg so that nothing comes out when we start shaking it. Because that would be a mess. And I'm probably going to wrap this a couple of times so that it's nice and secure. And friends, it is that simple to make your own musical instrument at home. And now I've even got two with different sounds. I thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I hope you had fun making your own maraca. Happy Make Music Day.
Music.